the Mercedes-AMG approaches the final stages of crafting their CLE63 Coupe. This exhilarating machine is tasked with a formidable challenge, replacing both the retiring C63 Coupe and the more sizable E53 Coupe. The motivation behind this bold move: Mercedes seeks to simplify an excessively vast lineup, compelling the CLE63 Coupe to harmoniously meld the C63 Coupe's sporty demeanor with the sophisticated poise of the E53. Anticipated to lean more toward the C63, in essence, the CLE63 Coupe is poised to adopt the groundbreaking 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain from its sibling, the C63 S sedan. Consequently, this powerhouse boasts an astounding 671 horsepower, providing the specifications necessary to outshine the BMW M4, at least on paper. However, whether it can genuinely surpass its rival on the road remains to be seen. While an exact release date for the 2024 Mercedes-AMG CLE63 Coupe remains undisclosed, experts predict a late 2023 debut as a 2024 model. Nevertheless, as the final non-AMG CLE has yet to be unveiled, it's entirely possible that the CLE63 may not grace American shores until 2024. As the new C63 sedan hybrid weighs more than its precursor by over 700 pounds, it's reasonable to anticipate the CLE63 featuring the same powertrain to tip the scales at a hefty 4,700 to 4,800 pounds. Under the hood, it's logical to surmise that the Mercedes-AMG CLE63 Coupe will share the same engine as the new C63 sedan. Consequently, the much-adored V8 roar will be replaced with a revolutionary plug-in hybrid system that boasts jaw-dropping specifications. This new system, comprising a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine and an electric motor, generates an impressive 671 horsepower and 752 pound-foot of torque in the C63 sedan. The 2.0-liter unit alone contributes 469 horsepower and 402 pound-foot of torque. In the sedan, a rear motor, equipped with a dedicated 2-speed transmission, works in tandem with a 9-speed automatic gas engine. Furthermore, the turbo is electrically assisted, dramatically minimizing lag. Expected to mirror the C63 sedan's performance, the all-wheel drive CLE63 Coupe should achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in a mere 3.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 174 miles per hour when properly equipped.